Clear Thoughts Tea Blend for lack of mental clarity. Don't miss the final ingredient, watch this recipe video to the end. Clear Thoughts Tea Blend is a carefully crafted and harmonious combination of herbs and roots that come together to offer a refreshing and invigorating experience for your mind. This unique blend is designed to not only tantalize your taste buds but also to stimulate mental clarity and awaken your senses. The key to the effectiveness of Clear Thoughts Tea Blend lies in its thoughtful selection of herbs and roots. Each component plays a crucial role in delivering a holistic experience. The herbs contribute a burst of natural flavors and therapeutic properties, while the roots bring their earthy and grounding qualities to the brew. This combination creates a synergy that works in unison to revitalize both your mental and physical well-being. Sipping on a cup of Clear Thoughts tea, you'll likely notice a gradual awakening of your mind. The herbs and roots work in tandem to enhance mental clarity and alertness. It's akin to a gentle nudge to your consciousness, coaxing your mind into a state of heightened awareness. This mental awakening can be particularly beneficial during moments when you need to focus, brainstorm, or simply rejuvenate your thought processes. But Clear Thoughts tea isn't just about mental awakening. It also possesses the remarkable ability to infuse your body with a subtle yet invigorating energy. Unlike the jitters induced by some caffeine-heavy beverages, the energy you gain from this tea is balanced and steady. It imparts a sense of vitality and alertness without overwhelming your senses. It's like experiencing a spring in your step, as if nature itself is propelling you forward. To truly harness the potential of Clear Thoughts tea, it's essential to prepare it in two distinct steps. This deliberate division of the process is due to the unique characteristics of the roots. Roots, by nature, are often tougher and require a different extraction method compared to the herbs. They may need more time to release their flavors and beneficial compounds fully. The initial herbal infusion extracts the delicate flavors and properties of the herbs, while a separate root extraction method allows the roots to impart their grounding essence to the brew. In summary, Clear Thoughts Tea Blend is a delightful fusion of herbs and roots that not only pampers your taste buds but also invigorates your mind and body. Its two-part preparation underscores the importance of balance and attention to detail, resulting in a beverage that can genuinely uplift your spirits and infuse your day with renewed energy and vitality. So, the next time you prepare a cup of Clear Thoughts tea, savor not just the flavors but also the harmony it brings to your overall well-being. Makes 1 cup servings. For the syrup: 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon dried chopped, cut and sifted, rhodiola root, 3/4 cup water, 1/3 cup raw honey. For the tea blend and the infusion: 1/4 cup dried rosemary, 1/4 cup dried chopped, cut and sifted, astragalus root, 1/4 cup dried peppermint. To make the syrup: in a small saucepan, combine the ginger, rhodiola, and water and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer the mixture until the liquid reduces by half. Strain into a bowl and compost the solids. Add the honey to the strained liquid and mix well to combine. Transfer the syrup to a bottle. Label and date the syrup. Refrigerate the syrup for up to 3 months. To make the tea blend and infusion: in a large bowl, combine the rosemary, astragalus, and peppermint. Transfer the tea blend to an airtight container. Label and date the blend. To use, put 1 rounded teaspoon of the blend in an infuser and place it in a 10-ounce mug. Cover with boiling water and let steep for 5 minutes. Remove the infuser. Compost the solids. Add 2 teaspoons of the ginger rhodiola syrup. Store the loose tea in a cool, dry place out of direct sunlight for up to 1 year. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson.